Hi, welcome to this tutorial. I'm Alex, your AI video assistant here at commentpicker. Whether you're a teacher in the classroom, a business owner running a contest, or simply curious about who should go first, today I'll show you how to select a random name using our wheel of names. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use our wheel of names, including adding, managing, and saving names, choosing raffle and result settings, customizing your wheel, and finally, how to spin the wheel to select a name at random. You can add your list of names to the wheel by either adding each name separated by a comma or entering them on a new line. Additionally, you have the option to upload a text or CSV file with names by using the Upload button. Once your names are added, you can shuffle the list, sort it alphabetically, or remove names as needed. If you plan to use the tool with the same names frequently, you can save the list with names, which will be only stored locally to the current device. Press Manage and Save Names. Enter the name of your list and press Save. If done correctly, you will see your saved list updated with the new list. Multiple lists can be stored, and there's a feature to automatically fill in the first list upon opening the tool, making it quicker to get started. In the results settings, you can customize and personalize the visualization of how a name is selected. There are two kinds of animations you can choose from: wheel of names and spinning names. You can also choose the duration of the animation in seconds. Enable the option Remove selected name from wheel after draw if you don't want the same name to win twice. The winning name will be removed from the wheel after it's chosen. As a premium user, you have the opportunity to make your designs truly reflect your brand. By selecting your theme color, a title, and logo, you'll ensure everything is instantly recognizable to your audience. This personalized touch not only makes your brand stand out, but also enhances sharing or screencasting your raffle. Plus, it's all saved in your browser for your next raffle. You can also choose to enable sound, hide information, or disable confetti, which is displayed after the spin has ended. All right, time to customize the wheel with some colors. In the wheel settings, you can customize the wheel. You can change the colors of the wheel by choosing from one of the predefined color palettes. You can also use the Color Palette button to quickly switch colors. You can create and save your own wheel colors by selecting the option, Custom Colors. You can easily remove colors and add new ones. When you are done, please press Save to store the color palette on your device for your next wheel spin. If you press More Wheel Settings, you can further customize your wheel by changing the font, removing the lines from the wheel, altering specific colors like the color of the winner, lines, or pin, or you can change the text size. All these settings are saved to your browser for next time. All right, time to spin the wheel and select a winner. You can draw a name in full screen mode, which can be helpful if you want to screen record the process of selecting a winner without distractions. To begin the winner selection process, simply press the wheel to start spinning. Congrats! There is the winner of your raffle. The details of the draw are shown for transparency. For premium users, results are automatically saved in their account. Free users can use copy link or share buttons to create a unique page with the results. Simply press the copy button to copy a link to the raffle results and make sure you save it somewhere. The results page looks like this. You can select another winner by using the Pick Another Winner button. Let's use a different color this time. Press the wheel again to start spinning. And congrats, there is our second winner. As you can see, you are also able to see the previous winners when selecting multiple winners. How you announce the winner is up to you. We would advise to communicate it in advance, making it as transparent as possible, and make sure to share the link to the results page. That's it. You now know how to spin the wheel to select random names using our wheel of names. Got questions about the video, the tool, or curious about our premium features? Don't hesitate to drop us a comment or send a message on Facebook or Instagram. We're here to help you out. And hey, if you found this guide useful, give us a like, share it around, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks. Best of luck with spinning the wheel, and thank you for watching.